I've got this Haier air conditioner, which I just bought, haven't installed yet. Put it on my dolly. But the benefit of getting an Haier air conditioners, and if you get one and you need more, make sure you buy the same thing because the remote works for both. This one here, turn it off, and it works for another one. So I got two remotes now. This one is the old one and another one. Both remotes work on a Haier air conditioner. So if one of your remotes go, you don't have to order another one. Just take the second one you have and use it.